Good morning, it's Monday the 16th of May and this is your daily outlook. The euro fell again, broadly weighed by Greek debt restructuring fears. Uncertainty over Greece's debt crisis deepened after IMF chief Dominic Strauss-Kahn was arrested on sexual assault charges. Strauss-Kahn had planned to join the European finance ministers and the International Monetary Fund at today's meeting to discuss Portugal's rescue package and Greece's debt crisis. The news caused world equities to plunge and risk aversion to rise, which weighed on the single currency. On Friday, the Eurozone gross domestic product revealed higher than expected figures in Q1, showing a 0.8% expansion. Against the dollar, the euro shed 2%, falling to a 7-week low at 140.47 from 143.39. The US dollar strengthened against a basket of currencies as heightened risk aversion prompted an increased demand for safe haven currencies. US Consumer Price Index showed a 0.4% rise in April, in line with expectations, and Consumer Sentiment Index rose in May. Against the Swiss franc, the greenback got a boost on Friday, jumping to a 3-week high at 0.8945 from 0.8797. Against the Japanese yen, the dollar climbed to 81.06 from 80.33. The Australian dollar slid against the dollar, weighed by the falling commodity prices and a lower demand for risk. Last week's disappointing employment data added further pressure on the Aussie as expectations for an interest rate hike started to fade. Against the dollar, the Aussie dipped to 105.20 from 107.15. Sterling also dipped against a firmer greenback, falling to 161.46 from 163.08. The pound remains under pressure after the Bank of England lowered its growth forecast, pushing back expectations for an interest rate hike. Oil prices ticked lower, falling to $97.08 a barrel from $100.67. Gold slid to $1,482.79 an ounce from $1,516.34, and silver edged lower at $33.92 an ounce from $36.44. Currencies to watch out for: the euro dollar and dollar yen. The euro dollar pivot point is at 141.70, with a preference to enter into short positions at 141.60. The dollar yen pivot point is at 81.10. with a preference to enter into short positions at 81.05. Today's calendar of market movers: Europe Consumer Price Index in April is forecast to gain 0.6%. Europe trade balance in March is forecast to fall to 1.5 billion. And US New York Empire State Manufacturing Index in May is forecast to fall to 20. Now on to equity markets. US equities were negative on Friday, with the SP 500 down 0.81% and the Dow was down 0.79%. European bourses were also negative, with the FTSE down 0.32%, the DAX was down 0.55% and the CAC was down 0.11%. At the time of writing, the Nikkei was down 1.81% and the Hang Seng was down 1.19%. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma and Joe from the easy-forex dealing room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.